Hello everybody, here's my latest piece, a bald-headed vulture. I've chosen a creature that most people consider to be the ugliest creature around and tried to make a beautiful mosaic out of it. Now, I'm a pantheist, which means that I believe that all creatures have a soul. I think as laid out by Thomas Aquinas was one of the first people to point this out. And we have to see the bigger picture when we look at creatures. So for instance, there are some people who don't like slugs. Well, hedgehogs eat slugs, and we all love hedgehogs. So without the slug, we'd have some very hungry hedgehogs. So in the scheme of things, we have to remember these things. I remember that 1976, a plague of ladybirds because something happened to the aphids. So there's a balance, and the vulture plays his part. I'm really loving this mosaic. The turquoise is particularly nice compared to him in contrast. Lovely background. I fired his head twice, once to give the overall texture and then second time to bring out all the detail. Anyway, here he is. He's probably not beautiful, but I think there's a dignity to him and it looks as though he's thinking about something. I bet I know what he's thinking about. It's going to be lunch, isn't it? That's what he's usually thinking about. And that's illustrated in the following verse, which goes like this. The bald-headed vulture. My genus is that of a bald-headed vulture, so please don't ask my opinions on culture. I know that to you it must sound rather heinous, but I eat the wildebeest via his anus. And if that doesn't fill you with good cheer, just regard me as a sanitary engineer.